Oh wow, that is instant. That is instant. This makes Logitech feel like a toy. This makes, honestly, this is a Logitech killer. This can put Logitech out of business, for real. This is fantastic. Look at this. Oh wow, so smooth. Oh, this is honestly like the best wheel I've touched since the 920. Oh, span out a little bit there. Alright, so here we have all the components that you will find in a box. Your pedals, clamp, wheel, the base, some screws, and also the metal base plate. All of that you get in the box. So here's the actual base here. So this has 3.9 Newton meters of torque with an electric motor inside it. So there's no belts or any gears in this. It's a fully electric motor. At the back you'll find all the connectors for all your peripherals, like pedals and gear sticks and stuff like that. The front of the wheel, beautiful brushed metal and a nice grippy feel of the ES wheel here. The gear paddles feel solid as well, not like a cheap plasticky sort of feel. It actually amazes me that this thing is $299 full retail and $229 in some places right now on a sale, because the quality of this is just so great for like just over a £200 steering wheel and pedal combo. It's just a great value for money. The clamp, again, metal, very sturdy, very rigid. 2 clamps there holding it in place with 4 screws into the base, like you'll see later when I build it. Just a great, all-arounder. The pedals here, so as you can see, they're spring-loaded here. You can also modify them to have stronger feel or a more realistic feel if you want. And there's an Ethernet cable looking thing that plugs into the other pedal, as I'll demonstrate in a very second here. So it's a very clever design. You get one pedal that connects to the other, and that one is the sort of master pedal, and then that then connects to the base of the wheel using another Ethernet cable. It's very clever. It's very clever and very discreet, so you don't have cables, in your way at your feet or anything like that. It's very well made. The base here, I mean, it's just a metal plate really with screw holes that you can then change the position of your pedals to where you want it to be. So you're not sort of locked into place with, a pre-built base like a Logitech one, when you have 3 pedals and you're stuck with them like that. You can actually change the position, where it's going to go. As I'm demonstrating here right now, you can see I'm lining them up to sit where I want them to sit. And then all you do is you just screw them in. Once you've done that, that's your pedals basically assembled and good to go to be placed under your desk. So here we have the base of the wheel and the clamp. As I mentioned previously, it is 4 screws with the Allen key that is provided, by the way, that you just screw it into. Make sure you do it really, really tight, because the base can move about if you're doing a lot of drifting or heavy steering and stuff like that. So make sure it's nice and tight, and it will serve you really, really well. Very sturdy, and it just goes on the desk nice and easy like this. And then all you do is you counterclockwisely adjust it on. Here's the plugs that plug into the back of the base. 1 pedal, 1 power, and 1 connects to the USB at the PC. And here's the wheel starting up. Looks really nice. It just looks great. I'm going to now play a little clip of how loud and how quiet the wheel is, so you can tell what it's like in use. Here we go. As you can see in here, there's no nasty rattles, no knocks, no nothing like that. It's just nice and silent operation. The pedals is the only thing you can really hear. Now let's get into some clips that I've recorded and my reaction using this wheel in a game. This is fantastic. This is exactly the wheel I wanted when I had a Logitech G920. Yes, yes. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, nice. Oh, that's nice. That is lovely. In second gear, let's go, let's go, let's go. Keep it going, keep it going. Nice. In this corner. Oh, wow. That is instant. That is instant. This makes Logitech feel like a toy. This makes, honestly, this is a Logitech killer. This can put Logitech out of business, for real. This is fantastic, look at this. Oh wow, so smooth. Oh, okay, I've came out too hard. I cannot believe you can get an entry-level direct drive wheel for such a price, and it is so good. It's not like, you know, it's not like you can tell this is a cheap or you know, affordable entry-level direct drive. This is premium. This feels great. So since starting to make this video, I have actually purchased a Moza R3 based on a recommendation from a friend, and based on my being impressed of the R3, I was so impressed that I went away and done some research on these wheels, right? And I have actually, as I say, I went away and bought an R3, and having played on the R3 for the past few days and now playing on this, I can tell the R3 is a lot more powerful than this R3, right? But the R3 is still fantastic, it's still a lot of fun. Even though I've got my R5 there, I could comfortably go back to playing on the R3, but I could never go back to playing on a Logitech, you know, after playing on the R3, for example, you know, just because of the direct drive. It's just so good. Look how smooth this is. It's just lovely. It's just fantastic gameplay. Oh, this is the corner I always get wrong. There we go. This is just brilliant. This is exactly what, you know, the racing community, the sim racing community needed. An affordable entry-level direct drive wheel that doesn't break the bank. It's only, you know, £100 more than a Logitech G920. And it's just great, it's just fantastic. It doesn't rattle, it doesn't make noises, it's just nice, it's just lovely. And it actually does what you're expecting it to do, you know? This is fantastic. This is just fun for days. You know how after a while of a Logitech you get bored? Because it's not quite doing, you can't do certain things on it that, you know, people on a direct drive wheel can do or whatever. Whereas, whereas with this, you absolutely can do all these things. You know, it's a little bit of practice maybe here and there, you know, some skill, but overall the actual tool is perfect for what you're doing. This has just been great. This has been fantastic. What a wheel. And if Assetto Corsa is not your thing, but CarX absolutely is, well, look no further, because this also works perfect on CarX, as I'm now demonstrating. It simulates the wheel perfectly. It looks, you know, the rotation of the wheel matches perfectly on what's on the screen, and it's really smooth. Oh, this is honestly like the best wheel I've touched since the 920. Oh, span out a little bit there. This is, honestly, this is fantastic. This is like exactly what I've been looking for years in terms of, you know, sim racing and stuff like that. It's exactly what I've been missing. Now this corner is lovely, this corner is beautiful, here we go. Oh, okay. Oh, I've let go a little bit there. Oh. Wait, who's on me? There's somebody on me. Oh, he made me spin out. So all in all, the wheel's absolutely fantastic. It is the best entry-level wheel of, you know, for direct drive that I've ever touched, honestly. And for the price that you're paying as well, it is not bad at all, okay? Anything under £300 or dollars for a wheel like this, for this quality as well, is just amazing, outstanding. So anybody that's looking for one of these, get yourself on, you know, on Amazon or wherever you get stuff from, and get one of these immediately if you're into a, you know, an entry-level direct drive wheel. The R3 is just perfect. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.